Alright guys, Tony here from Sydney Dashcams. We've just finished an installation of these 9-inch headrest DVDs, full replacement. This has gone into a 2018 Ford Ranger FX4. This is with the custom trim with the silver light grey stitching to match the seats. As you can see, they trim up nice and neat. This is, we're playing a music DVD in this one. And we've got it streaming out of that one there. So as you can see, it's custom trimmed to suit the interior. As usual, USB, SD, wireless headphones, the whole lot. They're going through the built-in speakers at the moment. If you'd like a quote or a price for your Ranger FX4 or any car whatsoever, send us an email, inquiry@sydneydashcams.com.au, or check us out on Facebook, Sydney Dashcams. Otherwise, give us a call, 1-800-96-1515. Alright guys, till next time. Thanks very much.